guys, there's a train coming right now. This is the second part. Oh, here it comes. Get back! Here it goes, nothing! It's finally came. Here it comes, guys. Oh, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be so loud. Let's go! Wait. I have to wait for it. Wait. Let's go, guys. We got a train. Let's go. I think there's still one. If the lights continue to show, it means there's another train approaching.
Right.
So there might be another train approaching. But we're gonna have to wait for the barriers to go up. That's the thing. Up. But this is, yeah. Guys, we'll keep you updated on this because this is really sus. Like, I'm glad we got a train, at least.
It was a pretty fast one, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was like, I couldn't really see the logo of it, but...
Cross country.
Oh yeah, cross country. Yeah, cross country. Yeah, I'm glad it's a fast train. Real. Because, yeah. Alright, I'll keep you updated in the next one.